Now that we've filled in the information for the Me and My Goal page, we're going to come down here to the very bottom. Remember, underneath this line, anything that you put down here will show up on each of your subsequent web pages. So if you have stuff down here like those links to social media, the graphics or whatever, just delete anything that's down here already and instead do Add Element and then choose Text with Photo. That's what I have here. So Add Element, Text with Photo, and then the About Me information, you can list it this way and then do some bullet points if you want. I like a bulleted list at the bottom down here. So if you play a sport, you could talk about the sport that you play or do or whatever it is. You could talk about like family. Be sure to be careful about the information that you're putting down here. You should not have details like I play lacrosse at our high school name. So like keep it so that people can't use this information to find you and things like that. Another format is this things I like. And then you could do a list. You could do, so I'll just show you my other website. So down here at the bottom, I did things I like, hobbies, favorites, and then I listed a couple things for each one and included my photo. So I like this format. It helped me keep it simple, but you can do whatever you would like. You can do an About Me, you can do a format like this, and then like we did for our other one, we're going to put an image here. So with the image that we put here, you can either drag one if you have saved one to your desktop, or in your case, you've probably two-finger right-clicked on it and then saved the image to your downloads, in which case we would click on the icon itself to choose the picture, and then yours will be in your downloads. However, mine is on my desktop because that is what was easiest for me. So I'll choose that one. It'll upload my image. And then just like before, I could format it if I needed to. If you needed to change your picture, it'll give you some editing options. So we could make it bigger, smaller. If you needed to rotate, you can rotate your image. So if it is allowable, that's your menu to do that is down here. And that is our About Me information. Be sure to click Save when you're done.